Hello everyone. Thank you very much for sending all your questions on Facebook. We really appreciate it. And yes, I'm here with Alex. He's a property investor himself. He's based in Cardiff and he's done a few courses with Samuel Leeds as well. And he reached out to me after he seen my video in Winners Wednesday. And yeah, he's a very great guy. He's very professional in doing videography, as you can see. And my name is Rahim. I'm a property investor, specializes in rent-to-rent, rent-to-SA, buy-to-let, and I'm also based in Cardiff. Well, basically, how I got started was is to do my research into properties, did few courses, try to understand how the property market is in my area before I get to it really. So what I did was I always thought I needed lots of money to get into property, but looking at the research I've done and learning, you don't really need that much money. So I decided to go into a strategy called rent-to-rent, where you would have a property from a landlord as a management contract or a commercial lease, get that property on and then rent it out to individuals such as professionals, students or workers. So what I did then, if you're beginning, I would suggest if you don't have enough cash or you don't have lots of money, I would suggest you do the rent-to-rent strategy, where you would be able to get houses that you can manage and control that are not yours. So how I started was to go into different platforms like Rightmove, Gom3, Zoopla to search for properties that are over 4-bedroom properties. Right, I then try to see whether they're suitable on the sort of thing I was looking to do, because I was looking to do it as a multiple let or having different students into the property. So once I got the properties, once I started looking at the property, I then approached landlords to see if I'll be able to take the property on, but I had difficulties because they did not know what I do. So I had to sit down with them, explain to them step by step on how they will benefit from me having their property, and I benefit from having their properties from them. So I explain it to them step by step for them to understand. But I suggest you go into searching for the right properties before you actually be able to start doing anything to do with the rent-to-rent. It has to be in a good location. That's one thing. It has to be very close to a city center or a busy commercial area, and also it has to have a heavy footfall as well, because obviously if it has a heavy footfall, you would have lots of interest in that area.